Are you tired of dealing with scratches and stains on your beloved car? Look no further. We have the perfect solution for you. Our 1PC carbon fiber car styling taillight brake light stop lamp protector covers are just what you need to keep your car looking pristine and brand new. The special features of these covers, made with soft and smooth ABS nanofibers material, ensure that they provide the utmost protection for your car's taillights. With a diameter of 1 inch and a weight of just 50 kilograms, these covers are specially designed for the Haval Jolion 20212023 model, making them the perfect fit for your car. But that's not all. We also have a variety of other car accessories that you'll absolutely love. Our window cleaning tool from TOPK is perfect for keeping your car's windows spotless, and our car phone holders come in different types to fit a range of car models, including Tesla, Audi, BMW, and more. Plus, our car washing tools, such as the plush chenille microfiber washing gloves, make car cleaning a breeze. In addition, our car front windshield defogging brush is the perfect tool for keeping your windshield clean and clear, while our high-quality car cleaning duster and car wash brushes ensure that your car always looks its best. If scratches and stains are a concern, our car scratches nano cloth and car nano sparkle cloth are exactly what you need to keep your car looking flawless. But that's not all. We also offer high-tech car multimedia monitors, car navigation systems, car air fresheners, and even car window cleaning brushes to ensure that every aspect of your car is covered. All of our products are made with high-quality materials, designed to last, and carefully crafted to meet your every car care need. Plus, with our 2-year warranty, you can shop with confidence knowing that we have you covered. So don't wait any longer, upgrade your car with the best accessories on the market. Click the link in the description to shop now and enjoy free shipping within 72 hours of your order. Join the countless satisfied customers who have made their car care a top priority. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your car to the next level with our amazing car accessories. Shop now.